Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is regarding the second crash course that we are starting on Botany Insider. As you all know, we started off with the very first batch in March and we have got a lot of positive response. So following the same, we are getting a lot of requests from the students to start off with the next batch as well. We are starting off with the next batch for the revision crash course, the 6th of June. So if you wish to enroll in this particular course, I have provided the complete information for the same in the description box. Check it out, and if you wish to enroll, all you have to do is you have to pay a minimal amount, send the screenshot of the payment on the WhatsApp number as mentioned, and you can get yourself enrolled in the same. Now you'll have 50 live classes, and do not worry about the recordings. Even if you miss out any of the live class, you'll get the recording on the same day, so that you do not miss out any of the class and you can access it afterwards as well. And in addition, we'll have various tips shared regarding how to solve a paper, regarding how to approach a particular question as and when you get in the examination. So it is a full package course. You'll be able to get a lot of information, a lot of structured information, so that you can proceed in your preparation, so that you can understand how to actually smartly, with hard work, target this particular examination and get qualified. So this was the information I had to share in this particular video. Do not wait for the last moment. Get yourself enrolled as soon as possible, and we'll be starting off, or we'll be having our very first live class for the second batch on the 6th of June. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. You will find a lot of quality content, and I am preparing a lot of more quality content for you all, so that it would be helpful for you in the preparation of this particular examination. Thank you for watching. Good luck everyone.